Welcome to Short Economics. Today we will discuss on definitions of economics. Definitions of economics means the study of the description of the nature of economics. The object of defining economics is to know what economics is and what it is not. In simple words, the definition of economics means the meaning of economics. Though economics is old and well developed, it has no one well accepted definition. So, this is because of the lack of unanimity among economists. In this context, Ms. Barbara Wooden remarked that when 6 economists are gathered, 7 opinions will come out. There are many definitions of economics. There are a n number of definitions. It is very difficult to study them independently, but they can be broadly classified into 3 different groups, such as wealth definition, welfare definition, and scarcity definition. Wealth definition is also called classical definition, and it was given by Adam Smith and his followers. He is universally regarded as the father of economics. In his most celebrated book, Wealth of Nation, which is published in 1776, in this book, Smith defines economics as a science of wealth. That is to say, it is an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nation. According to Adam Smith, acquisition of wealth is the main aim of all human activity. Hence, it is necessary and important to study how wealth is produced and consumed. Other classical economists like J.B. Say, J.S. Mill, F.A. Walker, Sr., and many other earliest economists gave a similar definition. So Adam Smith and his followers treated economics as nothing more than a science of wealth. As these economists laid a more emphasis on wealth, this definition is called wealth definition. Welfare definition of economics was given by such a well-known economist as Alfred Marshall, A.C. Pigou, Cannon, and others. As these economists belonged to neoclassical school of economics, it is also called as a neoclassical definition. In their definition, these economists shifted the emphasis of economics from wealth to welfare. That is why it is called welfare definition of economics. Alfred Marshall wrote his celebrated book, A Principle of Economics, in 1890. He was the first economist to use the term economics. According to Marshall, political economy or economics is the study of mankind and in the ordinary business of life. It examines that part of individual and social action which is most closely connected with the attainment and with the use of material requisites of well-being. Marshall laid a more emphasis on man and his welfare. To him, it is on the one side a study of wealth, and on the other, the more important side, a part of the study of man. Marshall's definition of economics has 3 fundamental points. The first one, economics studies ordinary men. Second one is economics deals with the material welfare. The third one is economics is a social science. So generally we can say that Marshall gave a primary importance to man and his welfare, and in secondary importance to wealth. Professor Marshall's definition of economics was popular for nearly 4 decades. But Professor Lionel Robbins, who published his famous book, The Nature and Significance of Economic Science in 1932, has not only criticized welfare definition of Marshall, but also has given his own definition. His definition is popularly known as scarcity definition of economics. In the words of Professor Lionel Robbins, economics is a science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means which have alternative uses. His definition was widely accepted and most scientific and concise. If you are having any doubts regarding this particular topic, you can comment it. Thank you for listening Short Economics.